Digital technology is rapidly transforming our day-to-day lives. It is also rapidly changing how militaries accomplish their missions. The ability to collect, analyze, share, and act on information is an increasingly important factor in being ready for tomorrow's military challenges. In the industrial age, success was determined by how effectively an army could shoot, move, and communicate. In the information age, communication has become the dominant factor. And how well we move information around the battle space drives how effective we are at shooting and moving. The most aware and connected army wins. In order to get there, the Canadian Army is undergoing a digital transformation. We're modernizing and integrating the command and control system that forms the backbone of how we operate. A modernized, integrated command and control system will give us key advantages: better knowledge of the adversary and environment, and the ability to respond to threats more quickly. Let's look at an example. There was a time not so long ago when firing artillery meant using nothing more than a map and compass. This was slow and labor-intensive, with high potential for human error. Now imagine our gunners connected to a fast, reliable, and secure network with digital tools. They will receive timely, accurate, near real-time information, enabling them to fire before being fired upon, and with the highest degree of accuracy. That's the power of a modern, integrated command and control system. This modernization is as important to the Army as new ships are to the Navy and new fighters are to the Air Force. The Land Integrated Command and Control System Modernization Program is an effort encompassing 6 projects. Like the devices in a well-organized smart home, each component project has a key role to play in the overall success of the program. Let's see how our smart home would be constructed. The foundation is a single project, Tactical Communications Modernization. It deals with our basic connectivity. Similar to your home, this project provides all your computers, tablets, and smart devices with a resilient, secure internet connection. In military terms, this project provides our basic connectivity, things like radios, antennas, and satellite links. On the first floor are 2 projects: Tactical Command and Control Information Systems Modernization and Joint Deployable Headquarters and Signal Regiment Modernization. These are equivalent to upgrading the software and apps used by your computers, tablets, and smart devices in order to improve your effectiveness. We need to upgrade the IT systems, applications, and networks we use for analyzing large amounts of data and the conduct of operational planning. The second floor has projects on a larger scale. Think of adding digital home security and smart appliances that automate daily chores and decisions, creating efficiencies that save you time and enabling you to pursue higher value activities. On this floor are 3 projects, dealing with modernized sensors to detect threats and feed this data into specialized digital tools, enabling quick and accurate analysis. They are Combined Joint Intelligence Modernization, Canadian Forces Land Electronic Warfare Modernization, and Land Intelligence Surveillance and Reconnaissance Modernization. This family of 6 projects will help modernize and ingrain digital technology into everything we do, and will allow us to make better, faster decisions and keep our soldiers safer. Another key aspect of a modernized, integrated command and control system is compatibility. We need fast and secure networks and systems that can plug into those of our Navy and Air Force so we can operate jointly. We also need to be interoperable with our allies and partners. Our communications equipment must be compatible with theirs in order to form an effective coalition, as the Canadian Army never fights alone. A modern, integrated command and control system is critical to the Canadian Army's future. We must have the ability to make faster, better informed decisions to stay ahead of adversaries. Elements of these 6 projects will start to arrive in 2027. This system will be the network on which all our other capabilities will operate. The better the integrated command and control system is, the better we'll be able to employ all other capabilities in the Army's arsenal to tip the scales in our favor when we need it. Whether in battle, peace support operations, humanitarian operations, or domestic operations, such as aid to civil power. We know smart, connected, and interoperable communications is the critical path to winning in tomorrow's battlespace. The Land Integrated Command and Control System Modernization Program is key to the Army's digital transformation that will keep us a dependable and agile fighting force and ally in the future.